Okay, hey guys, I just want to show you if you have to run a cable to the USB ports or to the 12 volt outlets. It's very easy here to remove that side, okay? And I hope I get access. That's also very easy to remove, and I think there are screws here, so I try maybe to open one of the screws. I'm not sure if it's a screw or not, but I would open that and maybe I can take this one off and feeding the cable somewhere here to the back. I would use one basically for the future camera what I put in, and the other one basically for the pack for wireless charging. Yeah, let's see how far I can go. Okay, I removed now that side panel. Seems to be a little bit better quality because it's this seems to be a harder plastic, and on the other side we have metal clips, so I think it's going easier in. Okay, I have to see now how I can run that USB cable along, and maybe I can do then the same on the other side. Now with a drill I made a hole, as you can see here, and I widened it out a little bit. Hopefully I will get the USB through here. Here, coming here with the cable, putting it nicely in, just loose, bum 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 along here, and then we're going through and coming out at the other side. As you can see, you see nothing. It looks like before, just that the cable is nicely inside now. And it gives me also the chance to quickly show here. That's basically why where I came out with will come out with the cable now. Still have here the problem here with that puck. I want to bring that over as well. So I will try to do the same, remove the side and then put a cable in, drill 2 holes and do it that way. This would be, again, you use that plastic and then you carefully try to get it off. Don't try to pull too hard, could be it will break, but as you can hear and see, it was really easy off. Also a chance here to show the mechanics. So this is one, okay, there is nothing involved with the mechanic, but all it comes to this one here, okay. So that's the whole mechanic part. So I have to find out now where is a good place to put the, and here's, you see the other mechanic, where to put the cable. Where I found a nice spot where I can go through. Spot is so good. I know not even I can see that. Okay, the spot is here. Let's go a little bit back. Okay, right on here. You see, it's like it should be there. I think that's the best place to go through. Pretty good. Okay, so we're going from here. Yeah, you see, over. But I go outside because there's too much mechanic here, and then I go in the same spot like the other one. Final thing before I close it, I put some electrical tape to make sure that it's not interfering with any of those connections or clips. Yeah, I just bring it out of the way, and then if it's closed, it doesn't matter anyways.